What's this? It's a towel. What's this? It's a duvet. What's this? It's a pillow. What's this? It's a pillowcase. What's this? It's a cushion.
Don't always say, let me know. Here are some very cool alternatives. Keep me posted. Hey, keep me updated. Hey, keep me informed. Keep me in the know. Notify me. Keep me in the loop. Hey, fill me in. Keep me in the picture. Get back to me when you can. Follow for more. Cheers!
Pronunciation challenge. Here are some difficult words to pronounce according to my followers. Hey, thanks for the suggestion. Try to say these. You can go first and I'll go right after, okay? Here we go. Look. Colonel, colonel. Rural, rural. Squirrel, squirrel. Q, just like the letter Q. I know, right? Worcestershire, Worcestershire. World, world. Now, though, though. Thought, like the past to think, thought. And through, through. How did it go this time?
Pronunciation challenge, intermediate level, B1 or B2. Can you say these words correctly? Look, you can go first and I'll go after. How do you say this word? Don't say genre, say genre, genre. What's your favorite movie genre? How about this one? Don't say police, say policy, policy. What's your company's policy? Okay, this is a hard one. Don't say don't say the P, say psychiatrist, psychiatry, psychiatry. Where is the psychiatry department? How did it go?
What up, family? The letter L is silent with these words, for example. How? After the letter A, U, and O, the letter L is silent, although there are some exceptions. So, for example, the word calm, it's calm without the L. Walk. Talk. There is no talk. Half. There is no half. Alright? Would. No would. Should. Could. We don't pronounce the L at all. And the word salmon, we don't pronounce salmon. Folk, and it means people. Chalk, not chalk, chalk. And the last one, Cornell. Alright, the L is not pronounced.